हेलो। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द आर्टिकल्स रिलेटेड टू द सेंट्रल स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव relations at a glance. Article 245. Article 245 Extent of laws. Article 246 Subject matter of laws. Article 247 Power of Parliament for establishment of certain additional codes. Article 248 Residuary powers of legislation. Article 249 Power of Parliament in the national interest. Article 250 A power of Parliament in state list if a proclamation of emergency is in operation. Article 251 Inconsistency between laws by Parliament and laws by states. ऐसे याद कर लो इसको। ये था आर्टिकल 252 है। आर्टिकल 252 पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट टू legislate for more than two states. Article 253 for international agreements. Article 254 for inconsistency between parliament's laws and state legislatures laws. Article 255 requirements. Article 257 obligations. Article 257 control. Article 258 power of the Union to confer powers on states. Article 258A power of the states to entrust functions. And Article 260 jurisdiction of the Union in relation to territories outside India. Article 261 Public Acts, Records and Judicial Proceedings. Or Article 262 adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys. 263 provisions of interstate council. Article 268 है। ये देखो स्टेट्स बोथ ऐसे ये एक बन गया पैटर्न। ठीक है। आर्टिकल 268 duties divided by the union but collected and appropriated by states. 268A service tax levied by union but collected and appropriated by union and states both. 269 taxes levied and collected by the union but assigned to state. 270 taxes levied and distributed between the union and the states both. 271 surcharge. 273 grants in lieu for jute. 274 prior recommendations of president for bills of taxation. 275 grants from the union to certain states. 276 taxes on profession, trades, callings and employment. 277 savings. Article 279 calculation of net proceeds. 280 Finance Commission. 281 recommendations. 282 expenditure deferable. 283 custody of consolidated contingency fund. 284 custody of suitors deposits. ये सब तो ये नहीं आते इतने ज़्यादा।